So, ayun na nga mga kaibigan. Inuumpisahan ko na kanina pa kung paano gayatin to. So, panoorin nyo. So yun na nga po mga kaibigan, natapos na natin yung ginagayat nating labong. Kaya ang susunod natin ay lalagat na natin. Yun na nga mga kaibigan, ito yung labong. Ito yung mga sangkap natin. Bawang, sibuyas, paminta, tsaka may laurel na yan. Gata. Tsaka yung pangsahog natin ay tinapa. Tsaka yan lang ang lalagay natin, asin, tsaka Aji-no-moto. Konting sili. So umpisa na natin ang pagluto. Unahin natin yung gata. Medyo mainit na yung ating kawali kaya medyo maganda na. Lalagay na natin yung bawang, sibuyas. Pati yung tinapa, lalagay natin.
Yeah, so you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again. You keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right. But fake has been never my type. And I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Felt deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Then till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season. And you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, folk to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face, told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us. There's more to love than surface. Lost the surface front. And the night I might spill my guts, she said. Sense that you're insecure. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes the floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. And I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it, and something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind. You're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines, but if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how I'm supposed to pick and they pounds, damn. I know you're feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listen. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do. You focus on the drama, all you need is the truth. And you to see what I see in you, if only I could too. I don't wanna be a memory, wanna wake up and see you next to me. Wanna dream bigger, better legacy. I know I'm more than open sesame, but if you wanna break the code, you get the best of me. It's when you said to me, yeah, it's when you said to me.
So ayan na mga kaibigan, medyo natutuyo na, kaya okay na to. Hanguin na natin, luto na to. Luto na to, kaya hanguin na natin.
Yeah. You can find me on the cliffside. All they do is overlook me. Yeah, if things don't pan out, keep it cooking.
Yan, tapos na natin lutuin yung ating labong o bamboo shoots. Luto na natin. Kaya sana po panoorin nyo. Ano po to? Umpisa doon sa kung paano ko siya kinuha, kung paano ko siya binalatan, kung paano ko siya ginayat, kung paano ko siya prepare, tsaka kung paano ko siya niloto. So, doon po, step by step, madali nyo pong masundan yon. Tsaka, makikita, marami kayong matutunan dito sa ginawa ko na to. Yung iba po kasi nito, hindi nila alam kung saan to kinukuha, kung paano kinukuha. Kaya, dito po sa video na to, detalyado. Kaya, sana po may matutunan kayo. So, ang nilagay ko po palang sahog doon ay tinapa lang. Pagka dito sa Bicol, yung tinapa sabi nga kakaiba, napakasarap nun. Kaya yung naluto ko talaga namang napakasarap. So yun po ay ginataan ko, kaya yun po ang number 1 na dito pagdating dito sa Bicol, yung gata. Pagdating sa labong, yun po ang pinakamagandang